This bill cynically claims to support refugees by cracking down on criminal gangs, while in fact it makes pathways to refuge more difficult and more dangerous for the most desperate. Whipping up divisive rhetoric about illegal entry to the UK, the bill's proposals to criminalise irregular entry flouts our obligations under Article 31 of the 1951 Refugee Convention, according to the UN's Refugee Agency. That Refugee Convention, signed by Attlee's government as we responded to the lessons from the Second World War, and indeed to the lessons from pre-war hostility in the media and among politicians, to those fleeing Nazi persecution in Germany. That convention prevents states from imposing penalties on account of mode of entry. And as members know, this bill disregards that duty altogether by creating a two-tier system. If this bill passes in its current form, a woman who has fled an abusive relationship in a dangerous country without passing through a safe and legal route, and has done so through desperation, could be criminalised with a 4-year prison sentence. And as refugee women who I met recently told me, we should remember that the nature of women seeking asylum is often a desperate and frantic journey, incongruent with Home Office procedures. The bill's focus on safe and legal routes would be more understandable if there was additional provision set out within it, but there isn't. The UK resettlement scheme, opened earlier this year, isn't transparent. There's very little information about it in the public domain, so the Home Secretary must see that it's not a viable route for those fleeing urgent danger to seek refuge. In its first month, March 2021, this route settled just 25 refugees.